So my project closed and I'm trying to open it and it comes up with this message, link media, missing media clip for these clips. This is something that happens when you have either moved or renamed a file that was used in your project. You have two choices. You can choose to offline, well, three. You can offline all. Okay, four. You can cancel opening, which you wouldn't want to do,
I wasn't done.
Or you can locate the file. So, I'll tell you what happened. I had the file in my downloads right here, and I wanted it in my Royse City Runfest folder. So I just dragged it, which now the program doesn't know where it is. So I know where it is. So the best thing to do is locate it. Okay, and it's looking in my downloads folder, which is where it used to be, but it needs to look a little bit further in my, I'm going to narrow my search, RC Runfest folder right here. Okay, and now I'm going to try to hunt down that exact file. So I'm looking for 2675. 2675. Okay, and I am clicking. And now the problem is fixed. And hopefully if you know where your file went, it's as easy as that. If you don't, you may just have to choose offline media, and it will give you a little red thing. And what you'll have to do is either delete that, find it later. If you find it later, you should be able to link media by right-clicking. Yep, link media. Or just put new media in its place. So that's how you solve the missing media scenario.